Nothing says summertime like a nice ice cold glass of lemonade. Hey guys, I'm Jessie B from lifewithjessieb.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a working mom of 4, and on my channel you'll find lots of videos related to our family's switch to safer and a more natural lifestyle, some home DIY projects, and ways we're using essential oils in our life. Today I wanted to share with you one of my kids' absolute favorite things that I can make. That is our fresh squeezed mint lemonade. When making our mint lemonade, we like to use spearmint essential oil. And one of the great things about that is it provides instant minty flavor, as opposed to sometimes when you use the mint leaves I have here. Sometimes it takes a little bit of those to steep before you really get the mint flavor. You can get that instant mint flavor with just 2 drops of essential oil. Spearmint is so awesome because it has such a minty and fresh aroma to it. It's great for supporting digestive health, and it's just very refreshing to have during those hot summer days. Getting started, I have my glass pitcher and I have it pre-filled with about 6 cups of filtered water. 6 cups usually fits my pitcher better, but you can adjust or add more depending on the size of your pitcher. And I have about 10 lemons here that I am going to cut in half, and then I'm going to squeeze them fresh. And I want to have about 2 cups total of fresh squeezed lemon. And then I also have a half a cup of local organic honey to sweeten it. Pause right here and tell you guys, when you're using the if you're using a hand juicer, you want to make sure you put your lemon into the juicer with the cut side to the bottom. So I know you think maybe you're supposed to put it in this way and then it would come down, but you actually get the most juice out of it by putting it this way, and then these holes at the bottom stop the seeds and stuff from coming out, and that way the juice can go straight out. So when you're doing it, you want to do it this way, and it kind of, from one of my old ones, it kind of turns the lemon inside out. So that's a pro tip if you didn't know that. So talk about mind blown. So I'm going to finish up getting all of these lemon squeezed. I did 4 and I almost have a half a cup. So let's keep going. I got all my lemons squeezed. I ended up using 11 to get right at my 2 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh squeezed lemons into my water. Oh, and look at that beautiful lemonade color. And I'm going to go ahead and get my last lemon sliced up, because lemon slices and lemonade look the best. All right, and I'm going to add my 2 drops of spearmint into here. Let me grab my spoon. All right, I'm going to give it a nice stir. And then for my honey, I have a half cup of honey. I'm going to add another half cup of warm water from the tap, just to kind of help break down the honey a little bit so it dissolves better. Alright, so I got my water in here, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir in here to get it going. It's broken down beautifully, so I'm going to add that to my lemonade and give it one final stir. And then I'm going to get a glass and then that's it. 3 simple ingredients: lemons, honey, and spearmint essential oil, and you'll have a refreshing drink to last you on the hot summer days.